I want to say happy birthday to everyone who is seeing this on their birthday. Happy birthday! As you all are here for the obvious topic, today we are going to talk about different ways to say happy birthday. For those who are new here, hi, I am Teacher Melike. It is nice to meet you. Welcome and welcome back to English Central. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Happy birthday. This is the most common and straightforward way to wish someone a happy birthday. It's short and clear. Number 2. Best wishes on your birthday. This is a kind and general way of expressing good wishes for the person on their birthday. It implies a sincere hope for their happiness. Number 3. Wishing you a fantastic day. Now we have a more joyful one. This wish shows that you want this person to have a truly fantastic and enjoyable day on their birthday. Number 4. Have a great birthday. Another simple and friendly wish expressing the hope that the person has a great birthday celebration. Now I'll take a quick break to tell you that if you want to practice these expressions and many more, you can visit our website englishcentral.com from the link in the description box. We have amazing teachers with whom you can have live lessons either one-on-one or as a group. We also have over 30,000 video lessons and 200 video courses. Don't forget to check out our educational materials. Now let's continue. Number 5. May your birthday be filled with joy and laughter. This wish specifically mentions the wanted emotions for the day, joy and laughter, and expresses the hope that the person experiences these on their birthday. Number 6. Celebrate your special day to the fullest. This one encourages the person to fully enjoy and celebrate their birthday, highlighting its uniqueness. Number 7. Here to another year of fabulous you. Celebrates the person and expresses the hope for the continued amazingness in the coming year. Number 8. Happy birthday to someone who makes the world brighter. This one compliments to the person. You brighten the world, adding a personal touch to the wish. Number 9. May your day be as special as you are. This wish also compliments to the person. You simply wish for the day to be as special as them. And there you have it, 9 different ways to say happy birthday. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching this channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.